Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying exactly which internal drive you have and why that matters. 2. 5-inch laptop drives differ from 3. 5-inch desktop drives and NVMe uses a different adapter. Once confirmed, attach an anti-static wrist strap or touch grounded metal, then mount the drive into the correct adapter or enclosure. Make sure to use a powered USB adapter for 3. 5-inch drives because they need 12V. Plug the data and power connectors snugly, so the drive will enumerate when connected to your computer. Once the drive is physically connected, wait for the system to detect it. You should hear or see a device notification. Next, open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac to initialize the disk if it's unrecognized and create a partition table, GPT recommended. Format using the file system that suits your workflow. Pick XFAT for cross-platform use or NTFS/apps for native performance. Make sure to label the volume and enable quick format or full format, depending on how you finish by securely mounting the drive in its enclosure, closing any screws, and verifying access by copying a few large files to test throughput. Make sure to eject the volume safely before disconnecting to avoid data corruption, and check smart data so you can spot failing sectors early. If the drive doesn't appear, reset connectors, swap cables or ports, and confirm drivers are updated. For low transfer rates, switch to a higher spec USB port or a powered enclosure to ensure stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.